Hey guys, so as you just saw, I was getting all my clothes ready, and if you're wondering where I'm going to Latvia tomorrow early in the morning. So I know some of you might be thinking, especially if any of my friends are watching this video right now, you go to Latvia like every single year, which is true, because the thing is I have relatives who live here, and because my parents and my brother have some doctor appointments over here, which is why we're going again this year. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to Latvia, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning at the airport. It still didn't quite feel real that I was finally on my way. Travel days are always a mix of excitement and tiredness, but I always end up looking forward to the journey. Alright guys, so I already dropped my luggage. Look at the sunrise, really beautiful, and I didn't even have my breakfast at all, so hopefully maybe in about an hour I'll have like some snack and a cup of tea before I'll board on the plane. Once everything was checked in, it finally started to sink in. I always love the part of traveling, walking through the airport, watching the planes, and knowing the trip is about to begin.
Kābekļu plūsma, ja maskas maisīgs nepiepūšas.
I always love this part of the journey. Watching everything get smaller as the plane takes off is one of my favorite parts of traveling, and it finally felt like the whole day had started. The flight went by so much quicker than I expected. Before I knew it, we were already landing, and I was looking forward to being back somewhere that feels so similar. I've been coming to Latvia for years, so seeing these familiar roads always feels like the beginning of another summer. It's funny how a place can feel so familiar even after being away for months. After such an early start, it felt nice to finally settle in. Coming here has been part of so many of my summers, so it's always lovely being back. Guys, look at this beautiful view. So at 7 p.m. my family and I are gonna head to Yomara Beach, and I'm gonna record some clips here, but those clips are going to be in my other video, which is going to be about Yomara and Riga in one, for a few days and all. So it'll also take me a few days to edit my episode 1 video, which is like traveling to Latvia and all. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!